All right, welcome to, well, all right, I'm back. Is that the Easter Wabbit? The Easter Wabbit. I just seen that the Easter Wabbit. He's so fluffy with his Easter eggs. Wow, I see the Easter Wabbit. You hear me, John? I see the Easter Wabbit.
You see him, huh?
Yeah, this is Dion, y'all. Y'all seen her on my show before. Yep. The last appearance she appeared there was the Christmas episode. Oh. I still act like a child. I say Easter Wabbit. What, Jane? What you got to say? All right. Look at the Easter Wabbit.
He needed to know in validation that Ronald was all about the building. Couldn't he be in the building if on the stage?
All right. So I wasn't planning on coming though. Got the Easter Wabbit. So fluffy with his Easter eggs. It's a loving family, y'all. Loving family, y'all. All right. All right. Oh, Sabrina, you want to be on the show? Oh, you're on the Dominoes 7 show.
What's up, y'all? This is a hard head.
Oh, no hard heads on the show. Never mind. All right. Oh, no, I can't cancel you. Well.
Stop with hard heads all day, especially around here.
Oh, really? Okay.
At the house. Hurry up, kids. They got hard heads on the front. They got $50 in one.
Okay. Look at the Easter Wabbit, y'all. The Easter Wabbit. All right, here's the Easter Wabbit. The Easter Wabbit.
Look at the Easter bunny, Katie.
Hey, you know, I call him the Easter Wabbit.
The Easter Wabbit?
Yep. You on the show? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Get my consent.
Oh, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Oh, I will. I'll try. All right. Easter Wabbit. All right. So I guess I'm gonna be at the house, okay?